Would you believe us if we told you that our world was created from marble? Although it's well known that Turkey has about 40% of the total marble reserves of the world, our world is completely made of marble. These rough, difficult to shape and distinctively unique natural stones are our entire world. Welcome to the world of Mermer. The journey of marble begins at Mermer quarries in the lands of Adıyaman and Kahramanmaraş. Mermer laid the foundation of its first quarry in these lands 26 years ago, and since then it has been offering these precious treasures to everywhere in the world. Mermer quarries are founded on the most fertile lands in Turkey. Total annual production reaches 100,000 cubic meters, thanks to endless dedication and labor. Manufactured blocks are transported from the quarries to be transformed into products at factory or the plants of the clients. Every block extracted from the marble mountains starts a journey of its own to take its place in exquisite spots where luxury meets comfort. Mermer's distinguished character is felt everywhere, from the most basic marble use at home to graceful products, functional materials and complementary pieces. Behind the scenes of this labor-intensive work, there's a state-of-the-art machinery park, in addition to more than 500 self-dedicated employees. Operating machines at the quarries include 16 wheel loaders, 16 excavators, 4 articulated haulers and 2 chainsaw machines. With an annual capacity of 250,000 tons of block marble and 40,000 tons of basalt, quarries are active during both summer and winter, with each quarry having a machinery park suitable for its own capacity. Mermer has been continuing its operations with the awareness that it is the protector of this valuable treasure. Marble masters know that every single detail on the stone, from its color to its veins, from its brightness in daylight to its texture, makes up the unique identity of the stone. One of the first characteristic marbles produced by Mermer is the marble marketed under the name Orient Pink. Orient Pink, which has won great recognition, is the first registered marble at Diyarbakir, according to the records of the General Directorate of Mining Affairs. An expert would notice quality at first sight, and a standard consumer would never forget it if he only saw it once. Other characteristic marbles extracted from Mermer quarries are Koki Beige, Sandwave, Brown Espera, Light Emperador, Basalt, Adara Cream and Alios Beige. These are all among the marbles leading the world's marble fashion. Mermer's expertise lies right here. Every natural stone is treated with a process of its own and goes through procedures that require great precision. Mermer offers variety thanks to different surface treatments performed on these precious stones, and shows off its mastery by keeping its quality at the highest standards at all times. Stones are processed in a manner that's in keeping with their characteristics. They're transformed into smooth blocks and transported to everywhere in the world. The ERP system put into operation and software developed and used by Mermer at its factory ensure perfect integration among manufacturing, marketing, sales, finance, purchase, machinery supplies and human resources departments within the company. Order placement and processing, as well as the software used to collect data, help provide 100% accurate deadlines before the order is processed. The high standards of Mermer are seen not only in the final product, but also throughout each and every stage of production. Mermer applies international quality standards and specific standards for its clients to all processes, starting from order placement to shipment. Thanks to these standards, Mermer has been issued TSEN 1341, TSEN 1469 and TSEN 12058 quality standard certificates. In order to meet customer demand coming from different regions in the world accurately and timely, the machinery park at Mermer factory works at full capacity. Machines supporting these perfect manufacturing operations include 4 gang saws, 11 block cutters, 1 multi-disc block cutter, 2 slab polishing machines, 2 elevated resin lines, 4 tile lines, 3 strip resin lines, 3 strip grinding machines, 2 bridge saws, 2 flaming and sandblasting machines, 1 tumbled machine and other small machinery. With its high standard production that never compromises on quality and 1 million square meter manufacturing capacity, Mermer is one of the 5 largest companies in the sector. Behind this success lies the labor of more than 500 people working at the quarries and factories. But what are these processed stones transformed into? That depends on the imagination of our clients and stakeholders. You can see Mermer everywhere, inside a house, as part of a huge building, or as a piece complementing a product. The labor of our employees meets state-of-the-art machines at Mermer factories. Marbles extracted from Mermer factory are exported to about 60 countries worldwide, including Italy, Greece, China and Taiwan. Mermer, an inspiration to the sector with its innovative products, continues to develop projects exclusive to precious stones. Here are the awards crowning this wonderful production. A Bronze Star in 2007, which is the 3rd prize awarded by the Istanbul Mineral Exporters Union, based on the export listing 2007, and a Silver Star, the 2nd prize awarded in 2008 and 2009. By receiving a blank check, a certificate of its credibility from the Association of Bankers in 2010, Mermer enhanced its success in the sector and considers every single stone it manufactures and offers to its customers an award won by the company. Here is the journey of natural stones with Mermer. If you want to become a part of this journey and discover our natural stones that have had a perpetual place throughout history, we invite you to visit Mermer.